Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix game doesn't launch or cancels mid-launch. The very first thing you can do is to restart your computer. This is the simplest and often most effective fix. A quick restart can clear temporary conflicts and processes that are causing the game to fail. Second, double check that your computer meets the game's minimum and recommended system requirements. Third, you can right-click the game's executable file or the shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Ensure your Windows, macOS, or Linux installation is fully up to date. If you still have those updates that you haven't installed, make sure you install it as early as possible. Outdated or corrupted graphic drivers are a very common cause of game launch failures, so make sure to update it as usual. Most game launchers have a built-in function to check for corrupted or missing game files. This feature will automatically download and replace any broken files.